Come here.
That's the sound.
A bridge. A little windy today. Huh. Well, look what showed up. Yay. Also, 300 of those. Also, 300 of these. These are for that piece here. Yeah. And then the big rivets go in here. Like this. Yeah. I'll probably end up taking all these out. And all those out. And all those. And those. And those. And replacing those rivets. Eventually. You know the expression, work smarter, not harder? If I'd have known how much of a time saver this would be, I'd have gladly paid 3 times what I paid for this 30 years ago. But after hand riveting about 100 of those, I decided that I didn't want to have Popeye forearm, just one. So I bought this. Let me show you how groovy this tool is. Should fix that. Ah, poopy dick. Son of Oh. Oh, for the love of Pete. Little fingers. so much gooder. So, if you notice, I'm using 2x2 square tubing to frame out that hole in the middle of my floor there between the rear wheel wells. And I mentioned in a previous video that I was thinking of using C-channel, and logistics just didn't allow for that option. That would have been a pretty good option, I think, but I'm not going to be able to get any C-channel here locally. I'd have to go all the way to North Las Vegas, which is about a $75 trip in that Suburban, because it passes everything but a gas station. And you know, I have no idea what that C-channel would cost, but I've got $150 worth of material that I'm using right here with square tubing and angle iron, and probably another $100 for a couple sheets of 16 gauge to just do that hole with sheet metal. So I gotta run to the Home Depot and get some Rust-Oleum primer to prime the underside of that steel tubing before I weld it in place. And next time you see that, it'll be done, and I'll go through it then at that point. But I think this is going to make a video, so yeah, I got rid of as much of the rust as I'm going to get rid of, and I got to replace all the screws with rivets. I got to get 1,500 rivets. So I'm going to go on eBay and go buy some rivets, and I need another 100 of those large flange rivets to finish out what I need to finish out. Went through 300 of those things like that, and I can't plug that back hole until I'm getting done with all the welding on the inside of the bus. And once I get all the welding on the inside of the bus done, I get my welder out of the bus, which is going to be a pain in the ass, because I brought it in. If you go through the I think it's part 2 or 3, when I put the welder in the bus, I went through the emergency exit. Well, I don't have those anymore, so I got to go through the front door, and that welder's heavy, so wish me luck. So until next time, guys, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry. Don't be afraid to take on challenges like this. You have yourself a splendid day. I'm hungry. I'm gonna get something to eat.